Hi guys, it's me, and I'm having a problem with my computer. It won't, I'll show you. If I turn it on here, let me open it. There, see? Okay, so, it's all normal and stuff. When I turn it on, I get this, weird flickering thing, and then wait, let me turn it off again. Okay, turn it on, and I press escape. If I press escape, it should, no, let me try again. So, I have been looking on the internet for answers and stuff. On the HP thing, I press escape, and this comes up. And then, wait, if I hit it, oh, okay. But, yeah, I get this. It works and stuff. So I want to continue the startup, start up my computer, so I press enter. And I wait, and I waited for a half an hour, and it does nothing. It just has this black screen. So I'm having problems, and if any of you guys know how to fix it, look, there's nothing, problem cannot be solved. But I won't be able to make videos now. So that kind of sucks. Yeah. So if any of you guys know, leave a comment down in the section down. Comment down in the section down. A comment down in the comment section down below. And yeah, see, it won't turn on. Nothing's happening. Absolutely nothing. Kinda sucks, but if you guys know, tell me, and I'll see you guys later. But I won't be posting any videos for now. So, see you guys. Bye-bye.